name is Marion Matthew, and I'm a service advisor at Karl Chevrolet Quick Lube. So when I was really young, I raced dirt bikes, and so that kind of started off my interest when it came to like cars and stuff like that. My mom took me to car shows, my grandpa took me to car shows, and so when I started at Karl's, I was a assistant service advisor. So I was a write-up, I would go out, write up all the cars. And after a little bit, I was like, you know what? I'm kind of bored. So I started watching the techs, and I asked them if they would train me to do that. So I learned how to tech, and then from there, I just kind of wanted to keep learning everything. So then I learned how to be an advisor and a cashier and a tire bay tech and a pit tech. And so now I just kind of do a little bit of everything, which is the way that I like it. I had to work harder than everybody else just for them to even consider making me a technician, I feel like. So I would kind of go above and beyond, work on things that other people wouldn't work on, volunteer myself to stay late to work on a car. So I feel like you really do have to put your mind to going above and beyond. I really had to get to a point where I had to tell people I do not need help. You know, like, please don't help me, please just leave me alone, let me do this. And once you're able to prove to other people and also just prove to yourself that you can do something, I feel like that's kind of the icing on the cake. Knowing your stuff and like being confident that you know what you're doing, I'd say that's success, but then also having the respect of others. Because, you know, in the beginning of a profession like this, you really do got to prove yourself, and you got to like prove to others that you're worth, you know, working on cars, and that you're worth continuing to move up in the industry. And so that's a big deal to me personally. I'd love to either continue on like in Karl's, just like keep moving my way up, because it's a really big company and it's a really successful company, and I really like the fact that I have the opportunity to learn so many different things. But if that doesn't work out, I would like to open up my own shop one day. I'd say don't let people intimidate you. When it comes to being in a field that's predominantly males, you know, it's very easy to be intimidated, and it's very easy to just let them like take the lead and just kind of like sit back. But don't let that intimidate you. And if you want to do something, voice it. So don't be scared, just kind of go for it.